In this video, I will show you how to get my money back from Shein. So, first thing you're going to need to do is open the application, and then log into your account if needed. Once you're here, just tap on View All. This is where you can see all your orders. Then just tap on Combine Return. From here, select all the items that you want to return. For example, choose the items you want to send back. After that, you have to select the reason for why you are going to return the item. For example, select the most appropriate reason and then tap on Next Step. Once you're done selecting the reason, a notification will pop up. You can read this, and once done, just tap on OK. A money back from Shein will then be on its way. You just have to wait for their email and response. That's it. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.